the master plan of Delhi being reviewed is actually a precursor to the change of the land use and farmers being cheated from the land. So this is what is happening in this country. You see the SEZ Act. The SEZ Act was made in 2005. When the act was made, 75% land was permitted to be used for non-industrial purpose. That means the act has been made with the purpose of permitting real estate development by industrialists. And so far, about 6.5 lakh crore subsidy has gone by the SEZ Act. You know, real estate, you see Haryana. Haryana government has amended the Land Ceiling Act. Haryana government has amended the Land Ceiling Act and done it in retrospective effect, with effect from 1972. We had social justice in this country when farmers were not permitted to hold more than 20 acres of land when we became independent, and extra land was redistributed amongst those who didn't have land. And today, companies like DLF and big corporates, so that they don't have any issues in holding thousands of acres of land, Haryana government has amended the Land Ceiling Act with retrospective effect from 1972. That is the governance this country is having today. I've penned about 60 articles so far in Hindi. I write in Hindi because the masses in North India read Hindi. I write in Punjab Kesari, and I've done extensive study on the issue with जो चौधरी साहब ने अभी उठाया था, जो पानी का मुद्दा है. मैंने बिजली के मुद्दे को अध्ययन किया है. जो दिल्ली में बिजली का निजीकरण हुआ था, उसको मैंने पूरा स्टडी किया. वो पूरी फाइल, एक जनाब थे, उन्होंने अपनी जीवन जो इस पर निछावर किया था. उनको लिवर कैंसर हो गया था, वो इस दुनिया में नहीं है, लेकिन वो मुझे वो पूरी फाइल देकर गए हैं जिसमें उन्होंने पूरा काम किया है. और वो मेरी ड्यूटी है आज के दिन कि मैं उसको I will bring it to public notice and I will bring limelight onto how the country has been cheated, how Delhi has been cheated in privatization of electricity. I will not take more of your time, and I will try and contribute in whatever manner I can with this very noble work that you did. Thank you.
You know, our dear beloved Lal Bahadur Shastri had a wonderful slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, and you've got both in you, and I'm sure you are getting inspired. Here's a colonel who's working on these major issues, and if this energy is brought, then there is no way these dishonest means of appropriating the gifts of nature, the resources of people will manage. All we need is solidarity and alliance building, and we are so grateful you're here. Thank you, Colonel Saab. Ab Chaudhary Saab, aap bole.
सबसे पहले मैं आप लोगों से क्षमा चाहता हूँ कि मैं यहाँ देख रहा हूँ बहुत देर से कि सभी अंग्रेजी में बोल रहे हैं. माफ करना मेरे को, मैं थोड़ा बहुत बोलूँगा जैसा भी,